What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy and host Dodge. So it's been a little bit since Father's Day, but right here in front of me I got a few gifts that my son thought I would like. He knows me. He knows I like to tinker and like tactical, all types of gadgets. Guys, if you're visiting for the first time, welcome. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And for you previous viewers, thank you for the love and support. And let's get the YouTube algorithm. Hit me with a follow and a like. So, this is what my son got me. First one, we'll get into it. Olight. They make a pen, a little mini tactical pen. If you know me, guys, I like tactical, outdoorsy stuff. So, I always keep field notes on me or some type of notebook, something, just in case. You never know when you need a piece of paper. So let's get into it. A pen by Olight. It's a mini bolt action. So, I'm gonna get into it. All right. My son is smart. He definitely knows his dad. What do we have? All right. Warnings, dangers. All right. Whoa. And there it is. If you get, it looks black on camera. It's actually green. It's a dark hunter green. If the light can pick that up. Hunter green. So, there's not much to it. That's kind of cool. Like a bullet. Bolt actions. You see how I got pretty big hands. Fits in my palm, guys. That is kind of cool. Wow. I like that. That is nice. Camera to focus here. Don't think it's gonna. Come on, camera, focus. It's not focusing. All right. Well, it says Olight O pen. It's an Olight pen mini. There's the bolt, and you can get ink cartridges off the Olight. Comes with a little rubber tip. I think you just screw it off. Yeah, tells you right here. Little spring action. Ballpoint gives you the reference number. So that is kind of cool. That's a really good gift. Um, yeah, definitely like that. That will definitely go into my tactical bag. Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't seen that, scroll down on my videos. My budget bag build. I'm still building it. Actually, I'm gonna put this. I carry this just about every day too. I was cleaning it out. Obviously I got a pen right here, but that's gonna go perfect in here. I can store ink cartridges. Guys, these are kind of cool. They're made by Condor. Get your badge, your license. You can strap this. I don't want to get into a review about this, but right on your hip or on your bag or right on your with your belt. Pretty cool. I like these. So that's the Olight, guys. Now, he knows his father very well. I like gadgets and flashlights. So he got me this new light. It's made by Mofan. Mofan. It comes with 8 LR44 batteries. I don't know what those batteries are. It's got 3 bright, super brights. Ugh, can't even talk. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm sound a little hoarse. I'm getting over a cold. 3 super bright LED bulbs, flexible telescoping neck, powerful magnet base. So let's get into this. Let's cut this open. All right, let's get into the MOFON. I don't know how to really pronounce it, guys. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. I see what kind of batteries. They're almost like hearing aid batteries. So I'm not gonna suggest you take this on a tactical or some type of survival. Keep it in your garage, handy or something. But I'm not expecting this to be too bright. Come out. Come out. There we go. So there's no lights in it. There's the magnet. Power button. 3 LEDs. Clip. Okay. I don't know why. Huh. I guess you hold it and pick them up. I guess it's for working on a car or something. I don't really know. It's kind of a weird design. Why that would retract like that. Oh, it's got a magnet on the tip as well. Okay, so you can pick up, if you're working on your car or something, you gotta go in between the motor. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's see how this works. I don't even know how to open this, to be honest. Oh, okay, they go right on the head. Oh, there's batteries already in it. So they give you extra batteries. So they put batteries in it and then they give you extra batteries. I'm not going to say this is going to be too bright. I'll be honest. Yeah. Uh, yeah, this is not. I'll shut this off. Just the camera. Yeah, that's not bright at all. I don't know what you would do with that. Do I love it? Of course I love it because it's from my son. But that looks like it's about 10 lumens. Not too bright. Uh, I don't know what I would use this. Maybe for fishing. Um, in a pinch, maybe to grab a bolt or something if I lost it working on my truck. But that's not bright at all, guys. I don't see how it says. Let's put this back on. It says it's got 3 LED settings. I don't see the 3. Oh, okay. Hold on. On. Let's see. I don't know. I don't think it's getting any brighter. I have no idea. I don't know if you have to twist the head or what. I don't think that it has 3 settings, to be honest. Yeah, that's not bright at all. Well, guys, like I said, I love it because it's for my son. I'm sure I'll find some type of use for it. It's not a total waste. It's got a magnet. I don't know how strong it is. Oh, look at that. It even came, well, you can see it, damaged. All scratched up on the lens. I mean, it's only got 3 LEDs. I mean, I'll find some use for it. Maybe it says something in the manual. Let's check out the manual. How to set the settings. So, on, off, LED, magnetic. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. It just says 3 settings. Alright, it does have 4 spare batteries. Yeah, guys, I have no idea. It's supposed to have 3 brightness levels, but I don't see it. Doesn't say. The directions are horrible. That's all it says. Shows you how to put batteries in. Well, the Olight pen, that's definitely a win. This, not so much. I love it because it's from my son, but this won't get used much. I can tell you that. So remember, guys, stay tuned for more content. Let's get that algorithm going. Hit me a follow, hit me a like. Till next time, I'm out. Here's an update, guys. I want to show you how bright that light is. I'm outside on the corner of my house. It's about 5 feet away. That is not bright at all. I mean, if you are working under your car and it's up close, yes, but that's not too bright. I just want to give you guys a quick little, little update. So there you go. That's how you can see how bright it is.